Uber is literally almost outside, but I need to do my intro. Anyway, hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Beauty PR. And hi, if you're new, I hope you, what did I say? I hope you stick around. Something like that. Anyway, today we have to go get our first ever laser hair removal treatment. I'm definitely doing my underarms. I'm not so sure about doing it down there because womanhood, but I'll see what she says. I think you can get it done, but I'll see what she says, and then we're gonna spend the day together and stuff and whatever. Let me go quickly before I get charged. Finished with my laser. It was honestly less than 1 minute per underarm, like 45 seconds per underarm. I didn't really feel any pain. All you feel is pressure that she's like rubbing something on, but that's it. Now I'm gonna head to Builders because I want to quickly get something, and I also want to go change this top to a smaller size or maybe return it, but I really like it. I want the top, but hopefully they have a smaller size, or else I'll have to return it online because I got it online. I'm just waiting for my Uber to come here. I don't know where he is. He's supposed to be here. Idea where to look, and I'm not really seeing anyone that's like here that works here that I can just ask, so I feel like I have to go aisle by aisle until I find somebody that I can ask. This is the paint section. I don't know where to go. Okay, now I know where I'm going. He told me to come to aisle 43. Oh my gosh, I found it. This is what I'm looking for. Let's go. I really need this. It's a mold buster because I'm noticing some mold, and I saw a video of someone using this and it was really good. So yeah, thank God. And it's only 100 rand. Praise the living Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Okay, let's go. Okay, we got what we needed. Now I need to go and exchange this top. I'm gonna go to Fenty Beauty because it's the closest one to me right now. If I don't find it there, then I have to go to Rosebank. If I don't find it there, then I have to go to Cresta. And if I don't find it there, then I'm just gonna do it online because that's now just gonna be a waste of time and money Ubering to and from. So yeah, I just wanna look at the plants for a bit. These look so pretty. I've started to fall in love with plants just because this one girl called Paige on TikTok that I keep coming across her content, and it's just enjoyable to watch. So lately I've just been liking seeing plants and stuff. I don't think that I would be a great plant mom because eventually I would neglect it, but it's pretty. It's nice to see. love these pants so much. Don't they look nice? Low-key giving pajamas, but you know what? I don't care. Okay, I'm now in Santon City. I actually don't know where exactly the price is. I know like what is opposite, but I don't know whether it's on the first, second, or whatever floor it is. I'm not too familiar with Santon City though, but I'm gonna find it and figure it out anyway. Never mind, I found it. So quickly too. From here, I just have to hope and pray that they do have the top and they have it in the size that I want. Hi. So I did find it, but the only problem is they don't have my size. They only have medium. I think I should go to Rosebank, but let me first see makeup brushes because I know I'm getting a PR package that has got some blush in it and I don't have a blush brush. Yeah, I need one. Guys, look, here's my bag. I'm literally wearing it. Here's my bag. Somebody once said to me that Mr. Price has really good makeup brushes, so I'm having a look at that. I don't really see them. Okay, here they are, but I'm not seeing like a full-on pack. Maybe this one will do. What is this? Huh? It does seem to have the things that I want, but now I'm not sure if I should get it from here because I'm definitely going to go check Rosebank if they don't have the smallest size of the top that I want, or just get it from Rosebank. You know what, let me not play this game. Let me just take it here. Yeah. Okay, I'm in Rosebank. I found them, but I don't know if I can see the size. Let me just check for the size. Okay, I found a size small, which is perfect. I'm gonna see if there's an extra small, and I'm just going to go and fit it on to make sure I'm happy with it. But yay! It's honestly way better for me because the medium is a bit too big, and I hope it's not giving pajamas. But I feel like it's not giving pajamas. Obviously, you have to. I am wearing like this shirt underneath, so it's not really helping. But I don't think it's giving pajamas. I think it's. I don't know. Is it maybe too short? No, it's not. The top is pretty long at the back. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna take the size small. I think it just fits better than the medium. I think it will look so much better when I'm not wearing the top underneath and I'm actually properly wearing my clothing. But I'm not mad at this bit. I got what I wanted. I exchanged my shirt. Now I just want to go to H&M to just have a look. I'm not going to get anything. I just want to have a look. Just want to have a little look. Ooh. Okay, this is nice. Coats look nice, but honestly speaking, when you look at them more, they're built very badly. This is not just poor quality, but poor structure. But anyway, I'm just having a look. Seeing what else I can add to my winter wardrobe or what I can add to my autumn wardrobe. Not really seeing anything. Anyway, back to the original plan. Let's go to H&M. This is looking cute. I like the color. I'm not gonna lie, ever since I learned my color analysis, shopping has been more fun because now it feels like I'm genuinely shopping for things that will just look so good on me. Okay, this is all. I have something like this, so there's no point. This is more of the formal section. I don't really think I want anything too formal. That looks like my top that I got from Mr. Price. But this one's black. I like what I see, I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually tempted to get this. It's literally just a regular jersey-ish thing. It feels kind of warm-ish. Never mind, actually, never mind. That's not as warm as I thought it was. Honestly, I need to go. I think I've seen everything. I'm not getting anything because there's nothing that I really need. All of it would just be unnecessary spending. Yeah, let me just go. Cute stuff, but I don't need anything. Ooh, I love this color. I love me a burgundy. Damn. But anyway, I need to go. home and I got a package. I literally cannot wait. I just have to open it right now. Oh my goodness. I hope that it's one of those packages where I actually can open it twice, because I do have to make content with this. Oh my gosh, come on now. Okay. What is this? Why is it stapled? I feel like they're trying my patience. They can tell that it's not them. Guys, okay, let me stop being ridiculous. Little work that I'm doing with Edgar's and Fenty Beauty, so I got this package. I'm praying that I get the lip color that I wanted. I'm praying, but I don't think it is it. It's not. This is not the one I wanted. I wanted the purple one. I had a feeling I was gonna get this one, but hey, I'm happy nonetheless. Who just gets PR from Fenty? That's just okay. Okay, no, this is nice. Cannot wait to try these. But you're gonna see more of this on the Instagreasy or TikTok.